Second.
And here we go. Part 2. Nathan's gone, and who do we have? My lovely daughter, Jenny. You say hi, Jenny?
Hi.
Hi. Wow. Hi. What kind of shit is that, man? There's Chico. There's a tow truck. The snowplow truck. Chico. Dun 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 dun. Charge. What are you looking for, fool?
Can I clean off this car?
No, hell no, man. Scrape this stuff off top. There's snow up on top, too. Yep, so it's still coming down, ladies and gentlemen. But not like they said. But, you know, this snow's supposed to stop. And what, you remember what they said? What time it was supposed to stop, Jenny?
No.
The snow?
Like sometime,
Like late tonight, right?
I think like 10 o'clock tonight.
Yeah, so yeah, it's definitely still gonna, you know, it's still coming down. We can see it. So we probably picked up another, I want to say 2 inches, give or take. Yep, so that's what's going on. Hey, Chico, and there's a lot of people that say you're a cute dog, man. What's up with that? Chico, you sexy, baby? Chico, you sexy and you know it. Ow. Come on, Chico, give it to him. I work out. Ah, look at my paws. Look at them go. Where'd Chico go? He don't know. Ah, Chico, what are you doing over there? What's that? What's the snow? Where's the snow, boy? Where's the snow, boy? Yeah, you get him. Get the snow. Dun, 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 dun. Chico power. What the hell is he doing here? Oh, face all full of shit. What you doing, Chico? You loving it? Huh? Where's the snow? Where's the snow? Where's the snow? Ooh, Chico getting a little speed going on, man. So, yep, I hope you guys liked, I just put, you know, part 1 up. About an hour or so ago. And here's part 2 that's gonna be rolling out, man. Jenny just getting done wiping the snow off our vehicles. And Chico acting like a nut. Yep, starting to get a little bit darker now. The snow's still coming. Yep, so I'll try to go out and clean this shit up, y'all. What's happening? Huh?
Is this a good one? Is this the front?
I don't know where. Yeah, that one's good. Yeah, I'll go out there with you and we'll do the front. I don't know what we're gonna do with you. You gotta watch them out there though, Jenny. Alright, y'all, well, me and Jenny and Chico are going to go out in front and just, you know, do the sidewalk. The sidewalk over to the driveway. And probably hit our neighbors up. So, yeah, I hope y'all having a, you know, great weekend. I know heard a few people in the comments of the last video say, you know, they're getting it and all that, man. So, you know, I just hope we got a white Christmas this year, man. Last year was kind of sucky, too, with the snow and everything. But, yeah, so, you know, thank y'all again for, you know, watching this dude's videos, man. You know, it's just kind of cool, man. You know, just if I, get the feeling and the urge, man, I got no problems, man. It's just, man, depressing, dude. It's no good, man. So, all right, y'all. Hope y'all have a good one. Hope everybody had a good weekend. Much love to y'all. Yeah, we'll just keep on doing this fight, supporting everybody like we do, and have a good one and live to see another day. No doubt about it, man. Peace, love, and hair grease, and we gone. I don't know what that is. All right, y'all.